Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can blur a video in CapCut. So by the end of this video you're going to understand what CapCut is and you're going to be able to blur a video on your own. Now if you're an iOS or Android device, it depends what you want. So let's say we use Android for example, we're going to go Google Play and type CapCut. You're going to install it and open it. Then you're going to press in the new project onto the square home page. You're going to select the video that you want to blur. Proceed to the effects options onto the bottom menu, which is right here. Tap on Video Effects and navigate into the basic menu. Once you're provided into the basic menu, you're going to choose the blur section. And what that's going to do is it's going to blur your video. You can adjust the intensity of the blur effect if you choose so. And for me, you can select the check mark on the right side of your screen. That's all there is to it. So basically what he's trying to say is you can blur your video very, very easily. If you want to blur one side of your video, you will need to split the video in half, and in the video that you've splitted, you're going to blur that side only. And if you want to do just a little bit, you will need to split and split and split to the point where it's just that little bit of the video that you want to blur. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.